With a head of cauliflower, some potatoes, some bell peppers, a carrot, and some curry spices, I'm sharing this vegetarian and vegan curry. So friends, this is a very easy recipe that comes together, and you can use whatever vegetables you have in your pantry or you find in the market. The prep work for all the ingredients we need for our recipe is done. Some potatoes, our cauliflower, onions for sauteing, onions for cooking, tomatoes, carrots, bell peppers, and a sliced jalapeno, cilantro. We also have our garlic, a tablespoon, ginger, cumin, curry powder, turmeric, black pepper, coriander, chili powder, and this is fenugreek or kasturi methi. This gives a very delicious finishing. Into this pan, add about a third cup of vegetable oil or any oil of your choice. Once the oil is hot, add about a half a red onion that is diced. Saute this until it starts to get color. Season with some salt to speed up the process. After about 5 minutes of sauteing and constantly stirring, our onions have started to turn color. Time to add our garlic, ginger, saute this just so the garlic and ginger start releasing their flavors. Time to add our curry spices, a teaspoon of curry, teaspoon cumin, a teaspoon of coriander, chili powder, turmeric, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Give this a stir just to toast the spices slightly, being careful not to burn them. It's starting to get so aromatic here already. Add 2 very ripe tomatoes, diced. This is the foundation for our gravy. At this time, all we need to do is just to cook these tomatoes until they break down. Put a lid on this and cook for about 5 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes here. Give this a good stir. Smells so good. The spices, the ginger and the garlic, they are coming together to form this nice gravy that will be the foundation for our curry. Time to introduce our potatoes that I have rinsed in water. We need to give these potatoes a head start. So cover this, cook on low for about 6-7 minutes. Give this a nice stir. You can see they are starting to stick. You really don't want that. Add some water. I will cover this and cook it for another 3 minutes. All I need is just for the potatoes to start softening. I can see the potatoes are softened at the edges. Maybe just poke them slightly with a knife. Yep. So the cauliflower goes in, the carrots, the peppers, and a jalapeno. Our red onions. Have them absorb the gravy, the spices. Cover for about 3 minutes. At this juncture, there are several ways that you can finish this dish. I can go ahead and add coconut milk or vegetable stock, but I'm just going to make it simple. Add some water. I'll say about 4 cups, a good amount of sauce just to go with the dish. Add some of the cilantro here. The rest we'll use for garnishing. Put the lid back, cook until all the vegetables are nicely softened and cooked through. Time to check our vegetables here. The potatoes are looking good. The cauliflowers are good. Some cilantro. Dry fenugreek leaves. They give a very good fresh taste to a curry. Our potatoes, cauliflower, curry is ready to go to the table. Just have a look at that. So there you go, friends. Our potatoes, cauliflower, and peppers curry is all done. Just the rest of the cilantros here. Serve these on a side of basmati rice. Chapati will all work, or just as it is. Time to go to the table. Dig into this delicious curry. Into a bowl. Just give it a taste here. Look at that beautiful gravy. A piece of the potato. So friends, there you have it. Our easy to make cauliflower, potatoes, and lots of vegetables curry. A dish that you can do any day of the week. Remember, you can do this dish actually as a side dish. Top it with a piece of chicken or beef or wherever you have fish works too, or just serve it as it is, just as I did, and you got yourself a delicious dish. For vegetarian, this is perfect. It's also vegan. This is awesome. So thank you so much for spending time on this channel today. I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you. I'll see you soon.